So today in this video, we are going to do a 1 year plus update on this hair, and I'm going to be using glue for the first time in 2 years. Like, can you believe it? I have not used glue to secure a wig in the past 2 years. So we're going to be doing that in this video. So we're just going to go straight into the ball cap method. I did lay my ball cap down with some got to be holding spray, okay, the OG, and then I used a little bit of the gel just to make sure that it's down on my hair, because I have a lower hairline, or my hairline dips in certain places. So I want to make sure that it's low, that it's going to stay down and it's not going to lift up when I do this part, when I cut off the extra material. So that's what I'm doing right here, cutting off the extra material. And I'm going to just get ready so I could put some foundation on it. This is Ruby Kisses in the shade 16. You guys already know this is my jam. I always use this. I'm always going to use this. Now, I like my ball cap a little darker. It just looks better underneath my wigs. You could do whatever it is that you want. So, of course, for this install, I am going to use Bow Hold Active. This is my jam. I rave about Bow Hold when it comes to their products. When I do use glue products, it's going to be Bow Hold. I have not found a glue that I like more than Bow Hold, okay? I've tried a lot of them, especially on this channel. You guys seen them. Maybe we need to go back to testing glues like we used to do, like in the old days, a couple of years ago. And maybe we should do that. I don't know. Let me know down below. But yeah, so I'm gonna take a popsicle stick. Well, this is a wax stick from my wax kit, and I'm just gonna take that and smooth it. This is how you know I haven't used glue in a long time, because normally I would use a paintbrush to spread it evenly, but I didn't have any because I told myself I wasn't going to use glue anymore because I wanted to give my edges a break. But I did two thin layers, and then I waited for it to turn clear, and then I went in and laid down the lace. Now, you want to pull your lace in front of the glue, because of the fact that you want to make sure that your glue is not exposed on your skin, because it's a headache, friend, to clean that up. We don't want to do that, okay? So anyway, so I make sure the lace is placed where it's supposed to be. I'm looking in the mirror is looking at me, okay? And then I'm gonna press it down. I just grabbed any melting band that I have, because I have so many, and I am just going to melt this for a good 15 minutes. This is what she's looking like. Don't mind the lace. It's a little bit dark. I already have makeup on it because I did do a glueless method, and I'm just reinstalling it. And so I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit more makeup on there. And like I said, don't worry about that, because I am going to do a full face with you guys today in this video. And I am going to get a little bronze, a little darker, so the lace is just definitely going to blend in really well. And so I am going to go ahead and curl my baby hairs to lay them down. Now let's get back to this hair. This hair is from AfSister or AfSister. I had this hair over a year ago, and I did 2 videos of me making this wig. This is a handmade wig from my sewing machine, and me coloring this wig. If you want to see those 2 videos, I will leave it at the end of this video and in the description box for you guys, so you can go ahead and see that. All right. Now, for this to be over a year plus wig, okay, this is still thriving, and she's thriving because I'm using my silicone mix, and then every now and then I'll throw on some clear cellophane into the mixture just to make the hair shine and pop and everything like that. This is a processed unit, meaning it's bleach. It has some type of color treatment to it. This particular wig is bleached and have a dye treatment to it to give it the color. And yeah, so for it to be over a year, this wig is holding up. This is one of my go-tos. I pull her out every now and then and wear her. You might catch me doing like another color or a similar color to or from this technique, but this is my go-to color style when it comes to applying or to coloring wigs, okay? So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup. I'm going to do my eyebrows. This is a NYX pencil in the darkest shade. It's not black. I think it's espresso. And I'm going to go ahead and carve out my eyebrows. And I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape. I can't remember the colors. If I don't get the colors right, I will have a link down below in the description box for you guys. But I'm going to use Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm going to take my flat brush and carve out only underneath my eyebrows to get the look that I want. And if you hear a baby in the background, that is my son. He's playing and doing whatever it is he's doing. So sorry about that. But anyway. Anyway, back to this hair. So I think I got a 24 inch or 26 inches, but the bundles were longer on me, and it gave originally 28 inch, but I did, like, throughout the years cut it a little bit. So like right now it's literally sitting at like 24, between 24 and 26 inches on me currently. So it did retain its length even though I bleached this hair, okay? So yeah, you know what? I would have to give their bundles a B plus. It's a B plus for me, and because it just held up really good. And as for the glue, one reason why I love Boho Active or Boho products anyway, is because it does not break me out. I do not have sensitive skin by far. I don't have sensitive skin, but I noticed when I use other products, I would have little bumps when I took off my wig. And mind you, I would never leave my wig on for over a week. I will only leave it on for maybe a couple of days, because for me, when I do wig installs on myself, one, I'm always switching my hair out. Two, by the fourth day, my hair is getting stiff and it's not flowing how it normally flows. So I'm going to want to take it off. I'm going to want to take that hair off, or take it off, wash it, and reinstall it, or just go ahead and do another wig in general. So, and then I stopped using glue. I literally stopped using glue because it just became a nuisance of like the cleanup process of me taking the glue off the lace, me taking the glue off my skin, and then it was just a messy process. And I love the fact that Glueless products, and Boho does have Glueless products, all right? She has liquid gold and she has the jelly. You can use either one of those to lay down your lace, and it still will give melted, and you could take it off at nighttime. So that's why. Oh, and it's water-based, meaning you could take it off with water and you could go ahead and reinstall it. But yeah, glue is just getting too messy for me, and I was doing wig reviews every other day, and it was just like strenuous. It was making my skin raw, like just taking it on, putting it off, taking it on, putting it off with glue. So yeah, I just started using what's my stuff? Kiss spray, the pink can. Like I would love buy that. We don't use Eben around here. We like Kiss. All right, and that's my favorite can to use. I need to actually go to the beauty supply and get some right now, but yeah, like that's my whole jam. All right, but I just wanted to put this on because it's just like, you know, it's nothing like a fresh glued wig. Like a fresh glue wig is just vibes. It just really gives melted. So I just wanted to go back and just see, just like, you know, it's just install it like I used to do it. Okay. But anyway, for foundation, I'm using LA Girls in the shade Coffee. For my concealer, I use the same Tarte Shape Tape. And then for translucent powder, I am using Laura Mercier. And what else am I doing? For my contour powders, I'm using the Crayon Box. Yeah. And then I am lining my lips with Chestnut by MAC. And my eyelashes are from Amazon. I will leave these eyelashes down below for you guys. You guys need them. They're like $5 for 10, and they are bomb. I usually stack them to give me a more fuller look, especially when I run out of my eyelashes that I order from overseas. These are my backups, and they still give what it needs to give. Okay, so Yes, I'll definitely leave that down below for you guys. And at this point, I'm just gonna just make sure that my hair is sitting and looking nice because my makeup is done. And I'm just gonna use a hot comb to like lay it in place and flat iron it, and that is about it. So if you are looking for some bundles, definitely give AfSister or AfSisters a try because their bundles do last, especially if they are bleached. All right. If you want to make sure that your wigs last for a long time, definitely use silicone mix and sprinkle in a little bit of the clear cellophane in there to make it pop, okay, and to make sure that your wigs last for a long time. Oh, this is another trick. I don't know about y'all, but I really hate that little straight line part that's perfect with the black spray. I do not like that. Since this is an older wig and I have not toned the knots are like knotting right now. So I took a little bit of darkest brown cellophane with my applicator brush, and I just put a little bit of the color, and I just closed that part in a little bit, and it did the job. I just have to put a little bit of makeup in there to darken it up a little bit, and it looks good. All right, and so at this point I'm gonna just put some spray on my hands, make sure all my flyaways are laid down, and that is the end of this video. So this is my 1.5 year update on this wig. If you want to see the 2 videos of me making and coloring this, I'll have a link below and down and at the end of this video. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please like, share, subscribe, and I'll be back with another video. Bye, best friends.